Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm here with a shop share. I actually went shopping in Etsy for a kit that I have coming up. And so I shopped Amour Fabriques with Salena. So Amour Fabriques, isn't that cute? And I picked up some items for a kit that I have coming up. And I totally had forgotten that she has her... what does she call it? Something about Wednesday. Wednesday giveaway drawing. Weekly Wednesday giveaway drawing. And so for the purchase, I got a ticket for each item that I purchased to go into, I believe today is Wednesday. Yeah, today's drawing. And so I really am excited. I'm going to have to, I know this guest check is thinner, but this is a peach color, and I've got to go see if she actually has them for sale. I saw that yesterday she was giving them away for a daily deal, but I couldn't purchase yesterday. So, but this is another guest check that she has, and it is lighter weight, but it is peach, and I have some stuff coming up that will be peach later on, and I do like to use guest checks in my kits. So anyway, let's go ahead and we'll start with, when I opened the box, I had my little thank you note from her and my packing slip, and then some goodies. So this looks like it's some kind of a card. Oh, it's a flip-up card of some kind. So I'll have to play with it and figure it out. We'll put it aside and maybe we'll play with that in the next live video or something. So 31 jeweled border stickers. Woo! Look at how sparkly those are. Those are cool. I think I might put those in with the gypsy stuff. Here it is shown, just used a little piece. So this was something that she sent me for free. I don't know if there was a daily deal that day. I just saw that she had one of these items that I'm going to show you here in a minute, and I had to have it. This is really cool. I love this gold. The music, all the kids play music. If you're in Southern California, you know right now we are inundated with butterflies. I forget what kind of butterfly it is. I'll try and have the name for you in the next video, but they are migrating from like South America or wherever, but because we've had so much rain, everything is blossoming. Today, when we drove home from the doctor, the blossoms, they're getting there, and they're just amazing. There's already 3 different types of yellow flowers, and I know that there's up to like 20 that will be on the desert floor between where I live and town. But anyway, we have butterflies. They are everywhere. So I think I'm going to probably use those in something for myself. Look at these beautiful angel wings and the music and the scroll. I love it. Thank you. Thank you so much, Salena. That will be fun to use. She also sent this bunch of paper. So, oh look, it's got butterflies and music. Oh wow. So we have these 2 pages. This one's kind of like snowflakes. I'm telling you, it's been cold enough to continue to snow, which is really weird that it's snowing right over there. And we have butterflies. So this is kind of cool. Maybe I'll use this. Some music paper. Yeah, we'll probably, we'll just go ahead and make a journal right out of this. Right out of this. Okay, so I don't know that I'll use the Christmas part. We'll probably put that back in the Christmas stash, but that's kind of cool. And then here we have wishing you love and beauty today and always, baked by, oh, so 4th of July. And then, oh, these are gorgeous. Happy anniversary to the perfect couple. So this one's more like something that you could maybe make cards out of. And when life gives you lemons, so there's lemonade stuff. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, I like that too. And I like the red, white, and blue. So, we are doing stash busters, so nothing. And I do have red, white, and blue right there, so we could do that. Oh my gosh, so these are Heaven Gained an Angel. We've got those wings. Wishing you strength and hope. So this would probably be more for cards. I will probably not use it for cards. But thank you, Salena. I love my special gift. And again, now you see that these go along with this pack of paper. Yeah, very cool. So I did order, you all know I love cardinals. I looked at this and I hadn't purchased it yet, but I knew I wanted it. Look at that. So yes, it's Christmas. But I figured on my next order, I would go ahead and get it, and she still had it, so I got it. And you know, the really cool thing is, if I went to a store, like a store, I'd end up spending way too much money. So it was very nice, and I love shopping with Salena. She's fun and professional, and she's got good stuff, you guys. She's got good stuff. So, and I was really excited. I know you're like going, well, okay, get on with it. I just want to fold that back. It's got to go over to the, to that. This might go in with the red, white, and blue, since we got red, white, and blue. Okay, so what did I get from Salena? So first of all, she has pink guest checks. They are the thicker cardstock. Check out the back of them. So I love this because a lot of times on your guest check, I end up having to do something to the back to decorate it. Now, if you're concerned about the fact that, you know, now it's upside down, just take some washi tape and put it along there. Okay? I always use this for something else. When I'm decorating, I like to use this a lot in my collage stuff. But this makes it so you can decorate the front. You still have the back. Just come in with some washi tape. Just come in with some washi tape. Well, I have this piece sitting here, so we'll just come in with this piece of washi tape. Just come in with some washi tape. And there you go. And maybe something different across here, or cut it. Probably put something different across. Anyway, so just cover it. And now you have a place to write on the back of you if you were to decorate your guest check. So Salena, these are awesome. I love them. I hope to be able to buy more very soon. I also, as you saw here, I picked up some claim checks, and they are really cool. So claim checks, these ones, I can use it as a tag in a journal. I can cut these apart because they're perforated and use them as 3 separate tickets. Use them to decorate on something. I just think that they're very versatile, and I like that they're plain on the back, and they come in pink, yellow, blue, and white. So I got a couple of those. This is why I placed my order. I saw these and I was like, oh my God, I didn't even watch the rest of her video. I went straight to the shop and went shopping. So it's very possible that that's like the daily deal. I don't know. I don't know. Because I'm sorry, Salena, I did not watch the rest of your video. I went shopping. This kit that I have coming up, I am so excited about it. I am working on it with my mom. We are painting together and putting together a digital kit that in my mom's style of painting, which is this. I mean, she paints beautifully and so freely, and I'm just so excited. I'm getting her the paint and telling her to make her stuff. She won't even get to see what we're using, so I don't want there to be any, you know, copyright thing or anything. No, I'm giving her the paint and telling her to go for it. So it is in this style. It is in these colors. It is amazing. It is nostalgic, and I am beyond excited. So I picked that up. They're bags. You guys, I'm sorry. They're treat bags. So they will be perfect in these journal kits that I have coming. And I bought 2 packages of them. And Salena, I am so excited you had these. So the one other thing I bought was this fitted sheet. It's also for this kit. One of the things that I have really had a hard time finding was the fabric that I wanted to be able to put out there. I am going to do like an eyelet with it, and possibly some chenille. I believe I think I have some chenille bedspreads from my friend Tao, and I think this will be the perfect time to bring them out because it's also very nostalgic. I know that in the time that birthday cards and things had this theme, my grandma had chenille bedspreads on the beds that, you know, floor length, straight over the top. Yeah, so so the ones I have are plain. So you might want to save if you've got any that have the colors. If this is looking like something you like, you might want to save them. So I picked up this fitted sheet, or no, actually it's a flat sheet, and to use along with it. And I'm going to experiment with this a little bit. I'm gonna take a piece, try some tie dyeing with Easter egg dye and stuff like that, and see if I can get it to look even a little more like that. We'll see. Okay, so that is my amazing shopping trip with Salena. Now I want to show you a couple other things that I've picked up that are going to be parts of this kit. So this little book, these little books, if you remember these, we used to buy these, and oh my gosh, I got tears in my eyes, you guys, because I totally remember these. And you might get these, you might have gotten this as a card, if you're, you know, my age-ish. So this one was with best wishes from Mother. So very cool. So this just gives you an idea of some of the things that might show up in this kit. These cards. So these, oh my gosh, daffodils are my mom's favorite. So yeah, the little bunny, the little girl with the kittens. So that, and then I have some little notes that will kind of the same idea with the really bright. And then the cards that I've gotten so far are these. And I have these. I don't know, what do you think? Should he go in with this? Also, I think maybe he should. And maybe even the one with the babies, the fairy babies, they might work well with this. I have several of these books. They're all different. And so I'm like totally excited. That is going to be one of my Mother's Day kits, and hopefully coming out very soon. And because now that I've got the material and I got some of the other elements to add to some of the other elements that I have, I would love to know what you think. So thank you, Salena, because this right here, this was a game changer for me. This and the flatted sheet, the flat sheet. So yeah. So does this bring back any memories for anybody else? This style of painting and things like that? Totally reminds me of my mom, and I love it. And so there you go. There you go. So thank you, Salena, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, remember this guest check and at Amour Fabriques, and it has the lines on the back. It is a great guest check. Find something to sell. Tell her Julie sent you. And Salena, if you're watching, thank you so much. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out her Etsy shop. And yeah, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye. Bye-bye.